Dikakanyo dintle, good ideas. Dikakanyo dintle. American dollars should have notable Native American chiefs instead of having white faces. I think it's a deal because they are land and they are minority, built by white colonizers and by diseases spread onto them. I do understand that there have been attempts to rename most of the American cities into native, which is good, but I think this is what I'm suggesting on the American dollars, maybe have them printed red in color, because they are taking color red. Some people have referred to them like Christopher Columbus, refer to them as red Indians when they are even not Indians, they are Native Americans. At least have the American flag colors, not green. So that's just my opinion, but priority would be having Native American pieces like Geronimo and Sitting Bull. That's just my opinion. What do you think? I think it's a great idea.
The Amazing Journey of the Dollar. Long ago, in 1792, the United States decided to make its own money, and that's how the dollar came to be. Back then, a dollar was like a piece of silver treasure, inspired by the Spanish silver dollar, and it had as heavy as 371.255 grain pure silver, about as heavy as 370 grains of sand. But as time went by, the dollar changed. It stopped being a piece of silver or treasure, and became what we call fiat currency. This fancy term just means the dollar is valuable because the government says it is, not because it's made of silver or gold. And to ensure no